Hello, my name is Vandan Dave. Today I will be explaining different mode of wireless communication. There are three types of mode in wireless communication: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. First, simplex. Simplex transmission mode. The communication between sender and receiver only occurs in one direction. The sender can only send data, and the receiver can only receive data. The receiver cannot reply to the sender. Simplex transmission can be thought as a one way of road which traffic travel only in one direction. No other vehicle can come from opposite direction. Simplex example can be keyboard and printer. Second, half duplex. The communication between sender and receiver only occurs in both direction in half duplex transmission, but only one at a time. The sender and receiver can both send and receive data information, but only one is allowed to send at any given time. Half duplex is still considered a one-way road in which vehicle traveling in opposite direction of traffic has to wait till road is empty before it can pass. And the half duplex example can be a walkie-talkie. Third, full duplex. In full duplex transmission mode, the communication between sender and receiver can occur simultaneously. The sender and receiver can both transmit and receive at same time. Full duplex transmission mode is like two-way road in which traffic can flow both in both directions at same time. An example of full duplex can be mobile.